Officials in Myanmar say they stopped a boat carrying more than 100 Rohingya Muslims who had fled displacement camps in the country. The boat reportedly had spent 15 days at sea trying to reach Malaysia. A court has found 2 surviving leaders of Cambodia's former Khmer Rouge government guilty of genocide. In Zimbabwe, more than 40 people are confirmed dead after an explosion and fire on a passenger bus. And Cyclone Gaja is being blamed for at least 10 deaths in coastal areas of southern India.